In this video, I would like to show you how you can get answers to key questions you may have both during and after integration. There are three main sources of information you should always keep in mind. 1, the MAS documentation. 2, the MAS portal FAQ. And 3, the MAS portal glossary. Each of these is easy to use, so don't hesitate to check them out. First, let's talk about the MAS documentation, where you can find all the key information you need in order to integrate the MAS SDK. To find this, go to the top bar and click the documentation icon. Here, you can see the URL for this website, developers.yoda1.com, and on this page, you'll find 3 key sections. Getting Started, which focuses on articles including what is MAS, how is it different from other monetization solutions, what ad types are included in MAS, compatibility with different platforms, and more. The SDK docs, which includes all of the technical guidelines for using the MAS SDK, including code snippets, step-by-step instructions, and tutorial videos and sample projects. Finally, there's additional setup, which provides you with information on things you need to consider after you release your game, or at least finish integration, including setting up your appads.txt file on your developer website, and, importantly, how to comply with COPPA, GDPR, and CCPA. So, if you've found what you need from the documentation, but you're still wondering where else to look, check out the MAS portal. The next key source of information is the MAS FAQ inside the portal. For this, you can click the Learn tab and then click FAQ. Here, you'll find a list of common questions developers have during and after integration. You can check by scrolling up and down and clicking on questions such as, how can I get support during SDK integration? Or, how do I find my AdMob ID and app key? But you can also search using keywords and find exactly the question you're looking for. We consistently update the FAQ based on questions we get from our developers and as our product develops. I hope you'll come here whenever you're looking for fast answers. Great. Now that we've covered the FAQ, let's take a look at the glossary page. The glossary page can be found also in the Learn section by clicking Glossary. Here, you'll be able to find a number of key industry terms that will be useful for you, including but not limited to ad network, which you likely already know if you're using MAS, appads.txt, a key file we'll be talking about in a later video, ARPDAU, which is an important metric to measure the performance of your game, at least when it comes to revenue. And of course, DAU, Daily Active Users, which is the users playing your game on a daily basis. There are so many important terms in this glossary, and we strongly encourage you to check it out whenever you're not sure or you hear a new word that you want more information on. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Now you know where to look whenever you have questions about using MAS. I'll see you in the next video.